received quite a few emails and calls of maybe more experienced or some of the elderly gentlemen that like the ease of fishing a chin weight for rigging and the way it makes a ballyhoo swim and the results, but they just don't have the, I don't know, finger strength to do it just right with this heavier wire, this single strand wire. I mean, you can see by the tooth marks that they obviously work, but they can't make these twist anymore. So for that, we're going to do something different. Whether you use heavy duty little 7/0 or even lighter wired hooks, crimped or snelled, even treble hooks, all these work great. And you can have the ability to take them on and take them off by crimping this cable over a pin. And let's do that. Okay, let's start by sliding 2 crimps onto the cable. And this is 175, and these are 1.0 crimps. Excuse me, 1.3 crimps, sorry. Turn it around. Get your crimps started back on the other side, and I'll tell you why 2 crimps. Leave a little bit out like this and keep this 90 degrees approximately to the hook point, like that. Okay, and I'll show you why that second crimp is needed on there in just a second. Let me zoom in a little bit. It gets a little fuzzy. Alright. Take your crimping pliers, put it on the crimp itself like that. Put your 93 thousandths pin in there. Pull it up. Just about like that. A little more. Form it real nice. Just like that. Okay. I'll go ahead and crimp it. Get down on it pretty good. Alright. Now take this one, slide your second crimp up there on it. Bend out that wire there. Cut it off. And slide this second crimp down to where it just barely covers the wire or the cable. What you're doing is you're protecting yourself and your crew against that sharp edge. Just like that. And then get down again. Now there you got no sharp edges, okay? And that is what you have. That formed little piece here will go straight over one way. And down. Bend it, form it just like you want to. Just like that. It'll also come off. Same way it went on. One way on, one way off. Turn it so that the bottom side is by the barb of the hook. And it slides right back off. One way on, one way off. And that is a nice little connection. Crimped to snelled, that's the way I prefer it, but you can do crimped and crimped.